First thing you want to grab, some cooking spray or butter. Next up, obviously, your eggs. For your first step here, come over to your frying pan, turn it on, and on a scale of 1 to 10, I put the heat on 4. Now, do not give it time to heat up. Immediately, either do your cooking spray or your butter. Now that you have your frying pan nice and lubricated up, go ahead and grab yourself as many eggs as you could fit in the pan, or as much as you just want to eat. Crack them perfectly, sit them onto your pan, just like so. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to be doing 2 eggs. But now, here comes the easiest thing you'll ever see. Everybody always tells me, oh, I can't make eggs that good, blah, blah, blah. It takes so much work. Here's the magic trick, guys. You take your lid of your frying pan and you put it on the frying pan. Now, I know that might seem extremely difficult to some, but now you're basically done. What we're going to do here is just wait about, I don't even know, 5 minutes or so, and they'll be done. Another thing I like to do while cooking my eggs here is just pop the lid off very quickly and kind of like even out the shape of your eggs, if you know what I mean. Like, you see how they're just a big mess all over the pan? That stuff turns really like plasticky and hard. So I'll usually just fold it over itself, staying away from the yolk. And I can't get this piece here. There we go. It's good enough. Just pop your lid right back on there and keep waiting. Now, there is no golden number for this, but pretty much what you want to do is just keep an eye on them and look through the lid of your pan. If it's like see-through, hopefully, like, I mean, it should be, right? And look at the yolks on the eggs. Because of the lid, it will start to form a little like white layer over the yolk, and as soon as the white layer gets to the point where it covers the entire thing, you're going to turn your heat off and you're going to put your eggs on your plate. Alright guys, as you can see, mainly on this egg, there's a little white layer formed on the egg. So don't actually take your lid off like I just did, but wait until both eggs are completely done. You see how this egg still has a little bit of yellow in the middle? We're just going to give that a few more seconds here, and once the white goes over the entire thing, we're turning the heat off. And there we go. They're both done. Turn your heat off, take your lid off to stop cooking the yolk, and then just as soon as possible, to prevent overcooking. Oh, look at that. You can just tell. There's one. Look at how soft that yolk is. It's ready to burst. Just coming out of the pan. It might happen here. Oh, geez, man. Oh, geez, look at that. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is like water inside the yolk there. But the rest of the egg is completely cooked. Now, for me personally, what I like to do here is just grab a couple pieces of toast, you know what I mean? You can either dunk it in your eggs, I see some people do that, or my favorite thing to do is just put the egg on the toast. Now, I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and ketchup on there. I know ketchup is salty, but I like extra salt. Now, let me show you guys just how perfect these eggs are. Take a look at this. 0 effort to cook. Took maybe 5 minutes. Just cut into the yolk here. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, look at that. Absolutely perfect. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I thought I'd make the video because a lot of people think I'm like some master egg chef, but I kind of figured this was common knowledge, but I guess some people don't know about it, so I thought I'd just let you guys in on the information. But anyways, yeah, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications.